What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of a downtown point of view. Oh yeah, listen to that oil, baby. Quick little 60 pole. Yes sir, that never gets old. Got ourselves a state trooper right here. Let's try not to do anything stupid in front of him. Okay, street closed, detour. I guess we'll detour over this way. Maybe if I do that, it won't vibrate so much either. Pretty clean G37 coupe right there. The pops down here, echoing off all these buildings, sounds so sick. Got the fire department right there, and then we got the police station right up here. This is probably not the best place for a pole. Look at that thing. There's the police station. all the cops today, man. I'm not gonna lie, something around here smells like shit. I don't know if it's this guy's car or what, but damn, man, I would have much rather gone throughout my day with not smelling that smell. Pretty clean SS right there. Soft top convertible though. I'm gonna take a right here. See if the old Shelby truck's here. Oh yes sir, it is. Now this dude right here, the guy who owns this dealership, oh, excuse me lady, has a 700 horsepower Shelby truck right there. Look at that thing, it's a beast, man. Probably just gonna bust out a Yui right here, honestly. Oh, never mind, somebody's there. So therefore, I will probably just go ahead and bust out a Yui right here. I see nobody here. Get another look at the Shelby truck this way. Check this thing out, man. Shelby F-150 700 horsepower is what it says right along the side of it, man. That thing is so sick. Somebody's up here absolutely yeeting it, man. What is that, bro? Is a Honda Civic, man. Hell yeah, brother. Bag has been secured, baby. Check out that old truck right there, man. That thing is so clean, dude. That thing is sick. Had to hit another little pole before we end it. And there's a cop over there, my guy. So yeah, we'll just keep going this way. I'm glad I did not do a pull up this road right here because I'm not trying to get pulled over today. All right, everybody, that's really gonna wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. Later this week, I'm going to be blacking out the chrome accents right here on my grill. Peace out. I will see you guys in the next one.